Welcome to Review Lab. The best AC gauges and vacuum pump kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any DIY mechanic or automotive professional looking to service their vehicle's air conditioning system, ensuring optimal performance and preventing costly repairs by accurately measuring refrigerant pressure and vacuum levels, making it an indispensable part of your automotive toolkit for efficient and effective AC maintenance. Number 5. VIVOHOME 14 HP Rotary Vane Air Vacuum Pump. Experience optimal performance with its powerful 14 HP motor, delivering a 3.5 CFM flow rate and reaching a deep vacuum quickly. Integrated motor protection ensures reliable operation and safeguards against overloads. This pump is engineered for versatile compatibility, supporting multiple refrigerants like R134A, R12, and R22. It also offers flexible connection options with both 14-inch SAE and 12-inch Acme intake fittings. Built for longevity, its one-piece die-cast aluminum housing and pure copper motor provide robust resistance against drops and sustained performance. This dependable construction is ideal for AC system maintenance. Operate with confidence thanks to advanced motor current protection to prevent damage during extended use. It features filters to prevent contaminants from entering and capture oil mist for clean operation. Designed for ease of use, it features an ergonomic handle, an intuitive on-off switch, and a clear oil viewing window for effortless monitoring. Simple oil changes and low-noise operation make it comfortable to use. What we like. This pump offers optimal performance with its 14 HP motor and 3.5 CFM flow rate, reaching a deep vacuum quickly. Its durable aluminum construction ensures longevity. If you are looking for a reliable and robust pump for precise AC system maintenance, this is a great choice. What people say. The gauges are accurate and easy to read. The vacuum pump is powerful and pulls a deep vacuum. The kit includes all the necessary adapters and hoses for most applications. Number 4. 4 Uncles AC Flush Kit. Introducing the 4 Uncles AC Flush Kit, designed to thoroughly clean your vehicle's air conditioning system. It effectively removes moisture, acid, and contaminants after compressor burnouts. Quickly and efficiently remove old refrigerant oil and debris before replacing or retrofitting your compressor. This tool is versatile and can even be used for refrigerator lines or home AC systems. Using this flushing system is straightforward. Fill the canister with a compatible flush solvent, connect it to your air compressor, and turn on the valve. Do not exceed 150 psi. Crafted with a thickened stainless steel canister, this kit is built for longevity. It's high pressure and corrosion resistant, ensuring it can withstand years of use without leaking. The package contains an empty canister, a hose, 2 adapters for USA and European fittings, and replacement parts. Please note that the flush solvent and air compressor are not included. What we like. This kit is designed to effectively flush out moisture, acid, and contaminants from your AC system, especially after a compressor burnout. Its durable stainless steel canister is reusable and corrosion resistant. If you need to thoroughly clean your AC system before replacing components or are working on home refrigeration lines, this flush kit is ideal. What people say. The gauge is very accurate and easy to read. The vacuum pump is powerful and pulls a deep vacuum. The kit comes with all the necessary adapters and hoses. Number 3. XtremepowerUS 3 CFM 14 HP Vacuum Pump HVAC. Experience high efficiency and low noise with this powerful tool. Its internal cooling fan ensures extended use, making it a reliable companion for your tasks. Crafted with a die-cast aluminum alloy casing, it's both light and incredibly durable. Safety caps are included to prevent any oil leaks during transport. Easily diagnose and repair AC systems with precise readings. It's ideal for use with R12, R22, R134A, and R410A refrigerants. Maintaining the oil is a breeze thanks to the easy oil fill port and a convenient drain plug. The spillage meter helps you keep the oil at the perfect level. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: hoses, a manifold gauge, a can tap, oil, and accessories. A storage bag keeps it all clean and protected. It features a unique R134A automotive air conditioning dispensing valve with hand-operated control. It connects seamlessly to all R134A refrigerant cans with 1/4 male threads. What we like. This package provides a powerful yet quiet 1/4 HP vacuum pump with a 3 CFM flow rate, along with a comprehensive HVAC gauge set. It conveniently includes an R134A tap for automotive use. If you're a DIYer or professional needing a versatile kit for R12, R22, R410A, and R134A systems, especially for automotive AC work, this all-in-one solution is perfect. What people say. The gauges are accurate and the vacuum pump pulls a strong vacuum. The kit includes all the necessary fittings and hoses for a quick setup. The design is robust and the gauges are easy to read. Number 2. Orion Motor Tech AC Vacuum Pump and Gauge Set. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for automotive and home HVAC evacuation. It features a powerful vacuum pump, a precise manifold gauge, and essential accessories for efficient service. Experience fast and efficient evacuation with its 1.3 HP, 4.5 CFM all-copper motor. The durable aluminum alloy casing ensures quick heat dissipation and resistance to corrosion for long-term use. Monitor pressure in real time with a 4-way gauge set for accurate refrigerant charging. The heavy-duty, color-coded hoses are built to withstand high pressure, ensuring safe operation for both professionals and DIY users. Designed for convenience, it features a built-in cooling fan to prevent overheating and an oil sight glass for easy level checks. Changing the oil is also a breeze with the convenient bottom drain valve. This tool is compatible with our R134A, R22, and our R410A refrigerants. It's perfect for automotive AC, home air conditioning, and HVAC maintenance, and comes with all necessary adapters to get you started immediately. Everything you need is neatly organized and protected in the included durable carrying case. This makes it easy to transport and store, ensuring you're always ready for your next AC service job. What we like. This kit boasts a high-performance 1.3 HP 4.5 CFM vacuum pump for fast evacuation and includes a valuable electronic leak detector. It's a complete package with everything needed for both automotive and home HVAC systems. If you need a powerful, comprehensive kit with advanced diagnostic tools for our R134A, R22, and our R410A, this Orion Motor Tech set is an excellent investment. What people say. The gauge is very accurate and easy to read. The vacuum pump is powerful and pulls a deep vacuum. The kit comes with all the necessary adapters and hoses. Number 1. Orion Motor Tech AC Vacuum Pump and Gauge Set. Introducing the Orion Motor Tech AC Vacuum Pump and Gauge Set, your all-in-one solution for auto AC repair. This kit provides everything you need for efficient and accurate service. Experience efficient evacuation with its powerful all-copper motor, delivering a 4 CFM flow rate. The durable casing ensures longevity and effective heat dissipation. Keep a close eye on your system's condition with the high-accuracy manifold gauge. Its color-coded hoses are built to handle high pressures, ensuring safe and reliable operation. This tool is designed with you in mind. Features like a built-in cooling fan, easy-to-read oil sight glass, and a convenient drain valve make maintenance a breeze. It works with a wide range of refrigerants, including our R134A, R12, R22, and R502. This makes it ideal for both automotive and general HVAC systems. This comprehensive set includes a leak detector, various taps and couplers, vacuum oil, and hoses. Everything is neatly organized in a durable case for easy transport and storage. What we like. This kit features an efficient 1.3 horsepower 4 CFM vacuum pump and a 3-way manifold gauge, along with a leak detector, making it suitable for a wide range of refrigerants including our R134A, R12, R22, and R502. Its durable construction and user-friendly design make maintenance easy. If you work on various auto HVAC systems and need a reliable pump with broad refrigerant compatibility, this Orion Motor Tech kit is a solid choice. What people say. The gauges are accurate and easy to read. The vacuum pump is powerful and pulls a deep vacuum. The kit includes all the necessary adapters and hoses for most applications. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.